Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share something about a product I bought. So here's a quick review of a vacuum. It's Bissell Aero Swift Compact Lightweight Bagless Vacuum Cleaner. I have paid $160 for it. Let's first talk about its design. It has a very good design, I like it. It has a very big dirt tank, as you can see, and it's bagless, so you don't need to worry about buying bags all the time. Just empty the dirt tank into the dustbin and you are good to go. So this is the handle of the dirt tank, and to remove the dirt tank there is a release button. So here's how you remove the dirt tank. There are two buttons on this vacuum cleaner. Here is one power button and one cord rewind button. So you can rewind the cord, and it has two wheels, as you can see. So I was worrying that is it easy to use or not, but you can see you can move it on 360-degree angle, and it's very easy to use, easy to carry, to take everywhere, very easily. And here is the hose of the vacuum, and this is the handle, and this is the tube, okay, and this is the front tool. It has a button for vacuum cleaning for bare floor or carpet. You can use either way. And this is the brush, and it removes the hair as well. It's very good on that. Its suction is very good, and it comes with two additional parts. Here is a small brush, and here's a small nozzle, so you can do deep cleaning for your other home areas. Okay. So it has a very powerful cleaning on multiple floors and surfaces, and I have used it multiple times, and I'm very satisfied with it. And its filter is washable and reusable. Believe me guys, it's amazing. It's very economical, it's very good on budget, so I think you should give it a try. I will rate it 4 out of 5 because few things I don't like about this vacuum is first of all, it does not have any speed adjustment button, so you can decrease or increase the speed. It has just one power button and with just one speed. Secondly, the material is very cheaper. It is made of very cheaper plastic, as you can see, and this part, the handle, comes off from this tube often, and I need to fix it every time. Otherwise it's good. So if you want to give it a try, it's a good vacuum. Okay guys, that's it. Take care. Bye bye.